A particle is thrown vertically upward with a velocity 11.2 km per second from the surface of Earth. Calculate its velocity at a height 3r, where the value of r is nothing but the radius of Earth. So we know that 11.2 km per hour is nothing but the value of kinetic value of escape velocity from the surface of Earth. So we can just modify this question like this. If an object is projected from the surface of Earth vertically upward with a velocity, that velocity is equal to nothing but escape velocity. So it is not going to come back, its velocities keep on decreasing, but it will never come back to the Earth's surface. And our aim is to find out what about the value of its velocity. Let's say velocity becomes v after at a height which is equal to 3r. So we can just take it as this distance is equal to 3r. So we know that if there is such kind of question, we'll always find out the answer by using conservation of energy. We need to just write total energy at point 1 or initial should be equal to total energy final. So I'm just using that conservation of energy. Total energy initial is equal to total energy final. So total energy initial, we can say that kinetic is half into m into v escape square, and potential we can take it as minus of g m divided by r, and total energy final we can write its kinetic is half into m into v square. Rm is to find out the value of v, and potential is minus of g m divided by distance we need to write from the center, that is 3r plus r, which we can take it as nothing but 4r. Now we can put the value of escape velocity. We know that the value of escape velocity is under root of 2gm divided by r. We can just substitute this value over here, and we can observe that we'll be able to cancel this m, this m, this m, and this m over here. So we can write this as v square, which is 2gm divided by r 1 by 2 into this value, minus we can take it as gmm by r is equal to, we can take it as v square divided by 2 minus gm divided by 4r. Now we can observe that the value of this 2 over here and this 2 over here can be cancelled. So it becomes gmm by r minus gmm by r. That value also get cancelled. So we can write the value of v square divided by 2 is equal to gm divided by 4r. Or you can write this 2 and this 4 get cancelled. So the value of v can be written as a root of gm divided by 2r. And if you would like to write this value in terms of escape velocity, we know that escape velocity is root of 2gm by r. So if I am multiplying it with 2 and divided by 2, so this equation becomes 2gm by r, and I'm just dividing it by same value 2. So already one 2 is there, and we add one extra 2 over here. We just multiply with 2 and divided by 2. So we can write this root of gm by r. Root of 2gm by r is representing escape velocity into 1 divided by root of 2 into 2, which is 4, which we can take it as escape velocity divided by 2. So escape velocity is nothing but 11.2 km per second divided by 2 will give the value of velocity at that height, which we can take it as around 5.6 km per second.